Hello, Turbo Girl. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about articles. The articles that we are going to learn are the indefinite articles a and an, and the definite article the. I will explain them one by one. Let's first look at a and an. We use a and an before countable nouns or when there is only one noun. For example, a ball, a doll, an apple, and an owl. When the sentence is referring to only one thing for the first time, we must remember to use a or an before the noun. We cannot leave out a or an. For example, Chickaloo has balloon is incorrect. We must say Chickaloo has a balloon. We use an in front of words that begin with vowel sounds. For example, an apple, an egg, an Indian girl, an owl, and an umbrella.
But what about an hour? The word hour begins with the consonant letter H. H is not a vowel. So why do we say an hour and not a hour?
That's a very good question, Double Girl. We use an before words that begin with vowel sounds, not vowel letters. So, even though the word hour is spelled with a letter H, the beginning sound is an O sound, like hour. That's why we use N. Remember, we must think of the sound and not the spelling of the word. We use a before words which begin with consonant sounds. Beginning consonant sounds are all the other sounds that do not have
A, E, I, O, U.
For example, a girl, a boy, and a house. The G in girl and B in boy and H in house are consonant sounds and not vowel sounds. Let's move on to the definite article the. There are a few things we must remember about the definite article the. When we are talking about something for the first time, we use a or an. When we are talking about something again, we use the definite article the. Let's look at these sentences. I bought a bag. The bag is green. In the first sentence, we talk about the bag for the first time, so we use a. In the second sentence, we use the in front of bag because we have already mentioned it in the first sentence. We use the definite article the when we talk about nouns which have only one of its kind. For example, the sun and the moon. There is one sun and one moon. Let's move on to another use of the definite article the. When the noun is plural, we use the. We do not use a or an. For example, the cups and the watermelons. A cups and a watermelons are incorrect. Let's now move on to the last thing about articles in this lesson. When we are talking about things in general, we do not put the article the before a noun. Let's look at these two sentences. Sentence 1. The rabbits are cute. Sentence 2. Rabbits are cute. In sentence 1, the article the is before the noun rabbits, so it is talking about some particular rabbits. In sentence 2, the article the is missing, so The sentence is talking about rabbits in general. Sentence 2 is not talking about some particular rabbits. Turbo Girl, can you tell me what you have learned today?
We learned about the indefinite articles, a and an, and the definite article, the. We use a and an before countable nouns and when there is only one thing, for example, a ball. We use an before words that begin with vowel sounds a, e, I, o, u, for example, an apple. And we use a before words with consonant sounds, for example, a girl. We must also use a or an in a sentence when we are referring to only one thing. For example, we must say, Chiklu has a balloon, and not, Chiklu has balloon. We use a or an when we are referring to something for the first time, and we use the definite article the when we are talking about something again. For example, I bought a bag. The bag is green. We also use the when we refer to nouns which have only one of its kind. For example, the sun. When the noun is plural, we must use the. For example, the cups. We also learned that there is no need to add the article the before a noun when we are referring to things in general. For example, rabbits are cute.
Very good, Turbo Girl.